So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your display name on Fiverr.com. So once you open up Fiverr.com, if you want to edit your display name or what that's looking like, go to the top right, press on your profile picture, and then go ahead and press on profile. Once you're on the profile page right here, if you want to go ahead and change your display name, so my name is Wonderful, it's just name, go ahead and press edit. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and choose your display name. So if I wanted to change mine to, I don't know, display name, I could type in that, go ahead, press save right here. And now my name has been changed to display name. Ironic, but you guys get the point of it. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit your display name on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.